welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I achieved my smoky winged liner makeup look. This is definitely going to be full coverage, so if you're into that, stick around, my girl. So I am going in with my moisturizer first, and then I'm going in with my foundation. It is the winter time now, so I do like to moisturize. Even if I'm a oily girl, I still want to moisturize my skin. And if you put moisturizer on oily skin, it won't make it even oilier. It'll actually calm down the oils that your body is trying to produce. So yeah, that's just a quick tip. But I'm going in with my foundation, and now I'm going in with my concealer. Everything will be listed down below. If you're interested in any of these products and whatever shades they are, it will be down below. But I like to go in with a kind of darker foundation and then go in with a lighter concealer to balance it out. Just so I can have my light where I want it and then my dark where I want it. So I'm taking this big fluffy brush and I'm going to blend out the darker part of my foundation first. And as you see, I'm taking it above my cheeks too, like basically going all the way up. And then I'm going to use this powder puff to blend out my concealer. I kind of want my concealer to stay put and to be full coverage. So that is why I switched over from a brush to these sponge. But you can use either one depending on what kind of coverage you're looking for. But I find that with a powder puff that doesn't have no powder on it and it's dry, it kind of keeps the makeup in one spot, and wherever you push it to is where it'll go, but it doesn't pick up coverage. It keeps it right where it needs to be. So next up, I'm taking my contour palette and I'm going to just add a little bit of cream contour to the perimeter of my face and blend that out. I'm taking that same cream contour and I'm using just a little bit on my forehead and on my nose. So any product that's left from using my cream contour, I'm using it on my nose to create my contour on my nose. I didn't go in with extra product. It's just whatever's left, because you kind of want to use a light hand when doing your nose contour because you don't want it to be too cakey. So now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand, just a little bit to brighten and to add more coverage. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. blush. It's more of like I guess it's like a cream blush, not a liquid blush, but they all still work the same, cream or liquid. Or you could just use regular blush. So I'm taking that on my face as well as putting it on my nose just to kind of give it that Christmassy, holiday, it's cold outside look. Then I'm going in to blend out that concealer that I put down. But I'm going to blend out the concealer and straight away I'm going to set it with setting powder. Just one eye at a time. So I'm not going to blend out both eyes and then set both eyes. I'm going to blend out one eye, set that eye, and then blend out another eye and then set that eye again. And that just helps with creasing and stuff. As y'all see, I have really big eyes. I got like a little extra skin underneath my eyes. Sometimes I be having bags. So I kind of want to keep it creaseless as best as I can. And I like to look up and just tap as much as I need to before going in with my powder to set it. And then I'm making sure I'm looking up and stretching my eyes so that way it can set the face and the under eyes really, really well with no creases. And if you notice, I'm patting that powder in and I'm not letting it bake as of now. So now I'm just taking a clean flat brush to blend out that contour. I should have blended it out before, but I was so adamant about setting my under eyes that I forgot. So I blended that out, and now I'm setting the sides of my nose, and then down the bridge of my nose as well. Now I'm going in with my Morphe palette. I'll have which one in the description box. And I'm using that blush in the palette. And then I'm going in with that bronzer shade to set my contour from that same exact palette. And this is just bringing warmth back to the face. And then I'm going in with that same bronzer to set my nose contour and on my eyelids. So now I'm using my Mario palette to do my eyeshadow look. But I'm going to set my face just a little bit, putting a little powder down so that it won't have any fallout. This palette has a lot of fallout from what I've experienced. So I know that since I've done my face, it's easier for me to set some powder down. So once the fallout comes on my face, I can easily dust it away. But this eyeshadow look is really, really simple. I'm just going to go down the list of light, medium, dark eyeshadow and just basically just build up that coverage. So I started off with the lightest brown that I wanted to use. Then I went to the next shade, which is another dark brown. And then now this is the black. I'm going in with the black to further set. And I'm just keeping it right in that area. I'm not taking it up too high. And I'm also winging it out as much as I can and as far as I can. I want drama, okay? So now I'm going in with my Inglot gel liner in the shade 77. And I'm going to make sure I put this on my waterline just to kind of make the eyes all come together. And then I'm going in with that same bronzy brown shadow to further blend that black eyeliner on my waterline. Now I'm going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder to dust away all of that extra fallout. And as you see, this palette did leave a good bit of fallout on my face. So this kind of helps it not settle on my skin. So I'm just dusting that away. And then I'm going in with my eyelashes. I love these eyelashes so much. If you want to know which eyelashes I'm using and where do I get them from, let me know in the comments below and I will definitely give you the details. Y'all, the eyelashes be trying to kill me. But once you let the lash glue dry just a little bit, it's easier to move. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So just bear with yourself and take your time while you're doing it. And just kind of focus and you'll get it because we all mess up. And so that is my lashes on. And now I'm going in with my MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. Yes, it's small. I love chestnut and I love cork. So sorry for the little bitty lip liner. Now I'm going in with cork lip liner to further line my lips, but also blend out that liner, the first liner, and kind of marry them together. It looks so much better when you use two lip liners. I used to be just a one lip liner girl, but it looks better. It just looks more seamless, and I love the way that look. Then I'm going in with my Maybelline lipstick. And then lastly, I'm going in with my lip gloss. I'm using the Fenty Fussy lip gloss, I believe. And then I'm just using a hair store clear lip gloss just to give it that wet, juicy look. Now I'm going to set my face with my setting spray. You can use any type of setting spray. Long as you're using a setting spray, I think you're pretty much good. And then I'm going to make sure my face is nice and dry. And y'all, I was serving, okay? I love the way this look came out. And I'm just like, okay, wait, let me add some mascara. You can use any kind of mascara you want. Let me add some mascara and let me tie this whole look together. And honestly, after the mascara, you could stop here and you can, wear the look as is because it's beautiful either way. this is how my face is looking. I love the way it turned out. The skin looks amazing. But if you want to take it up a notch, you can definitely use some highlight if y'all are still into highlight, and just highlight your face. So you don't have to do this. You can skip this step if you want to, but I think it looks beautiful either way. And y'all, when I say this look 8 down, 8 down. I'm putting a little bit of highlight on my nose, and then just any other highlighted parts on my face. So any part of my face that the sun or the light will hit it, I just wanted to add a little bit of highlight, and voila. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love the way this look turned out. Super easy and simple, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.